This video will walk you through the process of voiding a transaction using Clearance Virtual Terminal site. Once you input your login credentials, you will sign in. And it will take you to this page. You will select your business and the terminal from which the transaction that you will be voiding is from. Click Transactions. You will then go to the transaction you want to void. For example, this one. You can either go to this drop down, click Void, or you can click on this. It will offer more information. Then you can click Void up here. You can offer a comment. It still has the information and the batch number. You will then process the void, and it will say success here. And if you go back to your transactions, it should say that the transaction was voided. This video will walk you through a step-by-step process on how to run a transaction using Clearance Virtual Terminal site. So once you input your login credentials, you will sign in. It will take you to a page like this. You will select your business, select the terminal for this transaction. You will then enter your card number. You will then enter the expiration date, the security code, and then the billing zip. And then you will enter the amount for this transaction. We will do $100. Make sure you do a decimal and then 00, or else the transaction will fail. And then you enter the delivery fee, sales tax, tip, and non-cash adjustment, which is automatically calculated and added to the total. You'll then click Run Transaction, and then it will print you a receipt, and it will have all the information that you need. This video will walk you through the process of refunding a transaction. So once you get to the Clearance Virtual Terminal site, you will enter your login credentials. You will then sign in. You will select the business and the terminal. You will then click Transactions at the top. And it should take you to this page. You will select the transaction that you are wanting to refund. And you can either go to this drop down and just click Refund, or you can click on the transaction itself to offer more information, and then click Refund up here. Add any comments you want. Process refund. Should give you a success. You can go back to Transactions, scroll down, and it should say that it was refunded. This video will be taking you through the process of requesting a payment from a customer. So you'll sign into your account in the virtual terminal for Clearance. You will select the business, the terminal. Then you will click right here for Request Payment. You should then enter the amount that you are requesting. Make sure you have the decimal. And then you can add any additional information you want as listed here. Click Generate Payment Link. Then the link should be up here. You can click Copy Payment, or you can highlight it. You can send this link via messages, or put in the photo. If you put in the phone number here, so it would be a text message. Or you can put it on your site. You create a hyperlink. You put it on Word. You can copy and paste it into Word to create a hyperlink. Go up here, create that. Put the address down here, and name it. Then you can put this hyperlink wherever you want. So this next step is if you want to email the receipt that was printed from the transaction to the customer themselves via the internet through email. So you come up to this bar, you will enter their email, then you will click Add. It should pop up down here. You will click Email. And if you get a success, if you go to your email, then there should be an email, or if you go to the customer's email, there should be an email. I will now be showing you how to create a plan on Clearance Virtual Terminal site, and these plans for transactions can be reoccurring, or they can be on a one-time basis. So you'll sign in, you'll select the business, and then you will go to the customers, and then you will click Add Customer. You'll enter the credentials, the name, email, phone number, comments, billing address, shipping address, all that. Then you will click Save Customer down here. Once that is done, it'll give you a message saying this is a success. You'll then click on the customer. You'll first have to add a payment method, enter the card number. the expiration date, and the security code. And then the billing street and billing zip. You'll then click Save. Should get a success. And then you will go down and click Add a Plan. You will need to name the plan. I'm doing Will's Gym Fee. Click the amount, or type in the amount. I'll do 100, make sure you have the decimal. Then 00, the card should be here. And then you can select the option to email the receipt. You'll then have to select a start date for when this will be billing. I'll select tomorrow, the end date of when this will stop being billed to the customer. You can choose if it's a weekly occurrence, monthly, or yearly. If you choose monthly, you can do the first day of every 1 month or whatever you want. Then click Save Plan. Should get a success. Should be down here in your subscribed plans, and you can go in here and edit it. You can go in here and change the card if you want. You can trash it, or you can edit it. And then to view all the plans that you have, you go to Plans, and all the plans should be here.